Hey everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. This past weekend we were down in Morong Bataan in the peninsula of Luzon in Philippines to visit some of our friends. They own a nice little resort down there, and they just sprung the news on us that they are going to sell the resort. So we're going to show interested buyers a little bit of what the resort is all about, show you the rooms, the facilities, the surroundings. We got some nice drone footage provided by one of their friends that we are going to use. And let me also say this, that this video is not a endorsed video by any means. We're not getting paid to do this. We just wanted to present the resort and see if we can help them sell the resorts off. You're dealing with direct owners. There is no agents involved at this point. But if you are interested, get with us and we will forward your request to the owners, and you can from there you can take it on your own with them personally. We are going to screen the buyers and forward serious buyers. This resort is on the market for about 83 million pesos, which comes out to, if I'm correct, about 1.6 million United States dollars. So we want to make sure that whoever we pass on to them is a quote-unquote real buyer. So we are going to present this to you, and we're going to go through the resort, show you the rooms, restaurants, property, surroundings, and everything. Like I said before, it's going to be a short little video just to give you an idea of what we got available. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, here is an aerial overview of the actual beach of outside the resort. The resort is coming up here on the right hand side after this big building. Right there you see the blue awnings over the pool, and we're going to give you a visual on it. One of the things I like about Morong, this beach probably stretches between 6 to 8 kilometers, and it's really nice beaches, and they're kept surprisingly clean, in my opinion. They you know, I've been around to Zambales, I've been around to a few other places, and some of those places have been dirty. Here you rarely ever see any dirt, and the nice thing about it is it's clean. People are friendly around there. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful area. Yeah, let's get into our rooms. This is actually a family room, and it sleeps about 3 to 6 people, depending on how many you are in there. One thing with this resort, each one of the rooms has some form of ocean view. However, these family rooms, there's only 2 family rooms on the property. They were sacrificed the balcony of that room to make room for the extra bed in this family room. The bathrooms are tiled very nice. They're clean. Each bathroom has a heater in it.
Yeah, that's good.
And it's good, you know, and it's kept very clean. It's tile on the walls, tile on the floors, and it is nice and clean. Each room also has a television, big screen.
And they have Small refrigerator.
Small refrigerators, and what else do they got? Air condition is obvious,
Yeah.
right there on the wall, and you know, refrigerator and everything. All right, so here we are in a deluxe room. Um, the deluxe rooms has 2 beds, sleeps 2 to 4 people. The number of rooms on the property that are considered deluxe rooms are 14 rooms, all with balconies facing the ocean and overlooking the pool. Same setup there with air conditioning, refrigerator, and here you see the view of the pool. This room in particular are to the far left of the building looking towards the ocean. So it has a little bit of stop there from the restaurant building that you see right ahead of you. But all the other room has a clear view of the area. And again, looking into the bathroom, the bathrooms are all tile,
Yeah.
hot water heaters.
Same bathroom, same style.
Yeah, same style bathroom in all these rooms. All right, so now we're up in the other building. This is on top of the restaurant, actually. This building has 3 what they call super family room. Has 5 beds in there and sleeps 5 to 10 people. This room has, when you're coming into it, it's overlooking the pool.
Yeah.
This room doesn't have like a private balcony, but it is again a big screen, refrigerators.
You have 2 bathrooms.
2 bathrooms, yeah. I think we're coming up with some footage on that. There is my wife having a little fun. So yeah, we're coming up on that here in a second. I'll show you that. Around the corner there we got the air conditioner, so we have that. These rooms are facing the ocean. You see the windows here in front of the beds are actually facing the ocean. So if you look at a window, and I think I'm going to give you a sample of that, you have a look at the ocean. So let's talk about the bathroom. One is a full bath. I wouldn't say full bath. There's no bathtub, but it's a shower. And same style, same tile floors. It has a toilet and a sink, and then you have, because of the number of people in the room, they've also inserted an extra toilet. When you're 10 people there and need to use the bathroom, it can be pretty intense, I would say. All right, so let's go down. This is downstairs underneath the super family rooms. This is normally the restaurant, but due to the demand on beds over the last few weeks, they have turned that into a dormitory room and open up a outdoor restaurant, and we're going to show that for you as well, and open up an outdoor restaurant with an adjacent kitchen to be able to serve, just like this past weekend when we were there. They had, like, how many people, huh?
20. Oh,
No,
200.
not 20, 200. You have to add a 0. 200 people in there.
Yeah.
And when you have that kind of volume of people coming in, the demands for beds, so these people, they have a lot of ideas and things and how you can do things, and this way they quickly added an extra I think it's 16 beds in there, and sleeps up to 30 people. So they are coming up with good ideas. All right, so here is a little walk around on the facility. They have the
kitchen area.
Kitchen area, but that's I'm taking them into. We're going into the laundry room area.
Yeah,
so they
the
have
laundry
laundry room on site, and they have employees obviously doing all the laundry and hanging it outside. So now we are in the courtyard of the resort. So we're just going to take a little quick walk around and just check out the property, walk around so you can get a view of everything. The steel bars you see in the middle there, tomorrow or this tomorrow, yeah.
That's for the
event. Cobra Energy is coming in.
There's a company.
And they have a big event there.
Yeah.
So that is material for setting up a stage.
Yes.
So that'd be interesting. They have a beautiful pool, and I'm going to come a little closer and give you some close-ups here, and we go from there. So the pool is have a shallow end and a deep end, right?
Yeah. For kids and for adults.
Yeah. All right. We'll take another. We take another 360 here. The building you see right there in front of you is the restaurant and the super family rooms upstairs, and they are facing the entrance to the rooms are facing the pool area.
On this area also in the right side, that's the free cooking. If you buy food outside, you're allowed to cook.
All right, yeah, that's right. They have a cooking area there that they are allowing people to cook barbecue or whatever they want to do, and you know, obviously the new owner of the hotel, once it's sold, can make a decision whether they want to have people cook there or not.
Yeah.
We don't. They certainly don't mind it. But anyway, here's a view from the actual pool. We're standing right at the pool. You can see it right there, and showing off the beautiful beaches of Morong.
Yeah.
Great looking beaches. Again, I think I said it before, but I'll say it again. One of the cleaner beaches I've been on. I haven't seen a whole lot of garbage thrown. Went to Zambales a couple of months ago.
Yeah, and their beach is so dirty.
It was just like garbage galore everywhere. And
yeah, it's because of the people who
yeah, here you can see the divide in the center of the pool there. So on this side closest to the camera is the shallow end for children. I think it's like 2 feet.
Yeah, 2 feet.
2 feet deep, like 25, 30 centimeters or something like that. And now this walk is going up towards the super family rooms. So we're gonna take a complete walk around the property again to show it off to everybody.
All the views.
Yeah, all the views, and how you you know, we just want to show you the property so you can get a good idea if you are interested in buying this. We want you to have a good chance of understand what you're getting.
Yeah.
This property is fully owned by the owners, and the title is transferred into to their name or corporation or whatever. That's things you need to discuss with them directly, and we are not the seller. We are just people who happen to know these people, and they're a good friend of ours, and
Yeah.
I figured I'd just do a blog about it. The building you see downstairs there to the right, that's the common bathroom area for the pool area.
Yeah.
And also, I think now when they made that dormitory, the people that sleeps in the dormitory is actually using these public bathrooms.
Yeah.
In there also, in the back to the right, there is
Former kitchen
yeah, it's a smaller kitchen there as well.
before.
Well, it's still there. The kitchen is still there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and as you can see, their landscaping is
Really nice.
really nice. They spent some time and money on that.
Yeah.
There's how many palm trees on the lot there? Is it like
They have
three of them? I think.
They have a coconut tree inside the
coconut
resort.
trees.
Yeah,
There's
one, two, three.
I think
four.
it's four of them actually. Yeah.
Yeah, four.
And it's really nice. It's landscape really
Yeah,
really nice.
really
so,
nice.
so that's a good thing. And there you see, I love those colorful leaves. They're yellow, green, red, dark red, black.
Yeah.
And here you got the pool rules. So they have they have little rules around there. They have a what do you call it? Lifeguard
Yeah, one lifeguard.
on duty during pool hours, and this weekend this yard is going to have a bunch of tables on it, and it's going to be a big party with
Big company.
the big company, the representatives for Cobra energy drinks
Cobra energy drink.
coming in. All right, so here's the kitchen they set up. When they made the dormitory, they had to have somewhere where people could sit down and eat. So they put up this big tent.
On the parking area.
Yeah, in the parking area in front of the hotel.
Yeah.
And this is just temporary, can be removed. New owners obviously have to decide exactly what they want to do.
Yeah.
And this was set up. This was set up just to accommodate the large flow of people coming in. There you have the office building. You have to the right also some you can call it the manager quarter or whatever, with some beds in there for people on duty that might want to.
That's the
And this is the main office
yeah.
reception area. Here, let's talk about this. The land you see like an orange dirt pile, landfill. That is leased land. The owners of Island Waters Resort is leasing this land and utilizing it. They actually put up another building there, and it's like an Airbnb.
Yeah.
Where
Airbnb.
people can actually book it through Airbnb, I think.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's fly up here and stop here. You see at the bottom of the screen, you see the hotel to the left, so you can see the area, and to the right there you have that leased area. This is the what do you call it? Access road into all the resorts.
Yeah.
They have paved, I think you can see it here, they've paved almost all the way up to Island Waters Resort. Pavement is in progress, and I guess the city, they stopped at one point, and then when they get budget, they come back and they pave some more. But this is just a beautiful access, and the country around there is very beautiful. So So let me show you around here a little bit also. I'm going to take you to the other side. This does not come with the resort. However, there is an option for the buyers to take over the land lease and do whatever you want with it.
Yeah.
There might be an option to do so. That details for that you have to discuss with the owners. Like I said, we are just giving the information as much as best as we can. You can evaluate that, and we will put contact information also in our description of the video, so you can get in touch with people. If you can't get in touch with them, you can get in touch with us, and we'll try to connect you and help you there. All right, to the right there was the Airbnb building. So now we're coming back in here, and we're going to walk the front side of the building up the stairs, so you just can get a feel for it. Like we said earlier, I'm sorry guys, I'm losing my voice here. This is where the temporary restaurant is. That's normally the car parking for the resort. But they added this due to the fact that they have had on occasions 200 people coming in, and they needed the space. All right, so this is our kind of final tour here. Let me take you upstairs. This is on the front facing the access road, where the entrance to the hotel rooms are. Just give you a quick little look around here too. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you had enough information, and thank you for watching. If you like our videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the bell, and you get the notifications every time we are uploading a video. We are coming out with a series of videos. I've been talking about that for a while, and we're coming out with a series of videos about certain development, construction developments, and places to live here in Angeles and Mabalacat. And again, hit the subscribe button. God bless, and bye-bye.